Eric here, and today I have some quick news, right? Oh, here's the thing. Have you ever found yourself in such a big hurry that you don't even think of closing your computer, or you don't have time to close all the files of your computer because you have opened so many files and so many programs that taking your time to close them could be a lot, could cost you a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how you can quickly close all the files and all the program, the software that you have opened in the background, and also close all the browser that you have opened in just one click, right? The traditional way is like uh, you have to click on the Windows logo and then the power button and select shutdown, right? But before then, you have to do what? Close all the programs. But this is the thing. Here's the thing. With today's shortcut tip, you'll be able to forget about all this process. But not really forget, but you really fall in love with this because it will close every program that has been opened in the background as well as all the browsers, and you be able to save a lot of time and to just focus on your business or your meetings you had. Let's get started. I'm so excited to share it with you. All right, here I am now in front of my computer, and what I'm going to do is hit the Alt button plus F4 button plus Enter. If I do execute all three together, then it's going to ask me if I want to close all my files and everything. What I will have to do next is to just click OK, and everything here has been opened in the background, including programs, files, browsers, everything will just be closed in just 1 second. Isn't that cool? All right, let's do it so that you guys will actually get to see it with your own eyes, not just hear me. And also, I have like a picture that's gonna come soon for you guys to see. All right, let's do it together. I said Alt F4. Now, if you click on Enter, everything will just go boom, close all files. And well, the most interesting fact is like hitting Alt F4 will display that pop-up asking you if you would like to close everything that was open in the background or that you have open or you're working on. But clicking enter means you have said, okay, yes, I want you computer or I want you that program or command to execute and close every single thing that I have opened. So that's why combining all three keys together will instantly close everything that you have opened. All right, that's all to this tip, and then I really hope you guys will take advantage of that shortcut and save a lot of time. And if you will, just pass on the information to those who are not yet aware of this shortcut. And I'm so happy to share it with you. And as always, it's my great pleasure to share this tip with you. Thanks for watching.